friends, this video is on composite functions. Let us consider two maps, F such that A to B and G such that B to C. We can define a new map H such that A to C. We draw the pictorial representation. Say this is the set A, this is set B, and this one is set C. Okay. Let us consider that f is the function from A to B. This is f and this one is g. G such that B to C. Let us consider that x is an element of the set A. So for this element x there is an image in B. So consider that this is y. So we can write y is equal to f of x. Again friend, since g is a function from B to C and y is an element of the set B, then in C, that means in the set C, there will be an image. Consider that the image be z. So z is equal to g of y. Z is equal to g of y. Friends, one thing is, see that since h such that A to C, so there is a correspondence from A to C, this is h. Okay, so friends, z is equal to again h of x. Z is equal to h of x. So replace this z by h of x. So h of x is equal to g of y. Okay, h of x is equal to g of y. Friends, what is y? Y is equal to fx. Can we replace this y? Yes. So hx is equal to g of y and y is equal to f of x. So hx is equal to g of f of x. So we write g of f of x this as g composed f of x. So this is the composite function rule. G of fx is equal to g composed f of x. Okay, friends, the function h so defined is called the composite of f and g, and we write it as h is equal to g composed f of x. That means g composed f of x is equal to g of fx. It should be followed clearly that to each x belongs to the set A, the function g composed f associates the g value of the f value of x. The composite function is also called the function of function. Okay, let us start with an example. The example is also very important. Here you see that. Let us consider the fx is equal to sin x and gx is equal to whole root modulus of 1 minus x. You have to find out g composed f of x and f composed f of x. Okay, so first of all we take g composed f of x. G composed f of x is equal to, according to the rule, g of fx. Okay, g composed f of x is equal to g of fx. Now friends, what is fx? Fx is equal to sin x, so g of sin x. Now friends, again see, gx is equal to whole root modulus of 1 minus x. Then what will be g of sin x? G of sin x will be whole root modulus of 1 minus sin x. Okay, so g composed f of x is equal to whole root modulus of 1 minus sin x. Next we have to find out f composed f of x. Okay, f composed f of x. F composed f of x. So according to the rule, composite function rule, this can be written as f of fx. Now friends, fx is equal to sin x, so we write sin x, and since fx is equal to sin x, and what will be f of sin x? This x will be replaced by sin x, so it will be again sin of sin x. Sin of sin x. Do you understand? Again I repeat this one. It may be a troublesome condition. F composed f of x is equal to f of fx. This is the composite function rule. You know this one, na? G composed f of x is equal to g of fx. So if the two functions are f and f, so it will be f composed f of x, and it will be f of fx. Okay, like this we replace this one, f of fx, and since fx is equal to sin x, so we replace this one by sin x, so f of sin x. Again the same function, fx is equal to sin x, so this x is replaced by now sin x, so f of sin x is equal to sin of sin x, sin of sin x. So f composed f of x is equal to sin of sin x. Thank you. Have a nice day.